Do you like to watch some videos on the internet? I know it makes you happy and keeps you entertained, but what if you can make money while you're being entertained? That is so great, right? And what's great is, all you need is a laptop, PC, or cell phone. Also, you need Wi-Fi to access the internet and make money online. You can make even more money just by doing this. You can also earn money just by referring someone. You can get 20% of their earnings. I know you are very excited, but I want to warn you that you need to watch this whole video until the very end and also listen to everything I will say in this video. Because if you don't, well, you're not gonna make some money. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. To make money by watching videos, you will need these. Number 1. Entertaining videos. You must choose videos that appeal to the masses and that are really entertaining to watch. Number 2, a money system. Something that is going to pay you every time a video is watched. This is important because this is how you will earn PayPal payments. Number 3, traffic. In order to make money watching videos, a lot of traffic needs to happen, and I'm gonna explain how to get traffic. So you can have more videos watched and you're gonna make more money. A lot of people skip this part, so I highly recommend paying attention to this video to get all the details on exactly how this website works. So step number 1, go directly over to YouTube and type in a truly famous game. In this case, we're gonna use Minecraft. Now we're doing this since this will work with the strategy that I'm going to share with you on this video. So I've typed Minecraft here and I've chosen Minecraft because users of all ages play Minecraft. It's just a really huge community. There are millions of videos that have millions of views on YouTube, so it's a really popular thing. For some reason you do not want to use Minecraft, you can also type in Fortnite, which is another popular game that a lot of people play. There are millions of videos on this particular game as well. The next step is the thing that we will do after you've picked the game that you want to use. Before we continue the tutorial, I just have a quick interruption for you guys. I just want to ask where my viewers are from because I know that those money-making online websites are sometimes not available in your country. And that is why I want to make a video that is specifically available in your country. So tell me in the comments down below where you guys are from. Now let's go back. Go right over to Google and I want you to type in YouTube trending. We should find trending videos that are popular right now or at the time you're watching this video. Because I will show you a couple of videos, but maybe those videos were popular way back when this video was published and we need to ensure that we're searching and finding the most popular videos. A really great method for doing that is simply to go directly over to Google, typing YouTube trending, and at the very top here, you will find the link. Go ahead and click on that link and that will take you to YouTube and you're gonna find trending videos nowadays. The first sections are going to say now these are all the videos that are trending for the entire YouTube universe. But what we want to do is come over here to gaming. Now based on the game that you've chosen, the most popular games right now were things like Fortnite and Minecraft, and there's other games too as well. But what I'm going to do is find a video that's trending about the game that I want to use or the game that I want to share, the particular video that I want to show people. So I'm going to scroll down here and find a video that I want to use. Let's move on to step number 2, the money system. Where is the money system and how do you get it? Who's going to pay you PayPal money? This website will pay you money. They're going to take the video URL, such as the YouTube URL, and they're going to switch it around and they're going to give you a new URL that you can share on the internet. When people click on that link, it's going to display an ad and then it will go to the video. So this is how they generate money from the ad, and then they give you a portion of that revenue. And there's thousands of people doing this. It's really cool. Let me show you how this works. So looking over here at the website, most of you are probably wondering how much you can make. Well, you get a free sign-up bonus of $1, which is kind of cool, but the minimum payout is only $5. The payment frequency is daily, so you can get paid every single day. Now the payment methods are vast, and this is one of the great things. You're not just restricted to PayPal, or maybe let's say they have Bitcoin down here. If you have another way that you prefer to get paid, maybe through Payeer, WebMonies, or AirTM, those options are there as well. And this website is called shrinkme.io. This is worldwide and this works everywhere. I'm excited about this and even give you the rates on what they're going to pay you based on your location. But there's something else that I wanted to share with you. The CPM has been increased for the following countries just as recently. So if you live in Brazil, you can make $5 every time someone watches a video. In Spain, you can make $5, and so they've increased the rates for Brazil, Spain, India, and also Vietnam. I just want to let you know about this. This works almost just about everywhere. Once you register with the website, which only requires a name and email, you're going to get full access to it, and it's going to look something like this. Of course, just for registering, you can see at the top right here, I have $1 added to my account, which is great. But there's also a lot of different tools and management type features over here on the left. Now down here, we see the settings. I want to just remind you guys over here by profile. Before you do this, make sure to fill out your billing address and all this information here. Most importantly, make sure to choose your withdrawal method, because they have quite a few here. In the other countries, you can go with PayPal. However, if it's not available in your area or for some reason you don't like PayPal, that is totally fine. You can simply choose a different withdrawal method from here. Now let's move on to step number 3, which is the traffic. Because we're not going to make any money unless people are watching videos, which is what this video is all about. Over on Google, now since I'm using Minecraft as the game of choice, for this particular strategy, I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in Minecraft forum. This is an online community forum and should come up at the top right here, and just go ahead and click on that link and that'll take you right over here. Now here is a Minecraft forum that has over 4 billion views, and visits to this Minecraft forum all the time. This is incredible. There are a lot of people that come here, and essentially what you can do is you can participate and you can join this forum. You can make a profile and everything like that, and you can engage with other users, and you can also post links, and that's what's important about this, because this is going to be a part of the strategy. A lot of you are probably wondering, can I post links on the forum? The answer is yes. Here is an example post right here of somebody posting different links, and you wouldn't want to spam the forum or anything like that. What you're really trying to do is engage and talk about things and anything that has to do with Minecraft. Post different pictures, Minecraft pictures, and also post Minecraft videos. You probably know where I'm going with this. Everybody that clicks on that link to go watch that video, you get paid, and you can't keep doing this, and this can happen while you sleep. Let's go back over all 3 steps before we continue. Because I promised you guys that I would share with you a secret bonus towards the end of this video on how to make even more money, which is actually what I'm doing, so I think you're gonna love that. So let's just go back over here to YouTube, and we've typed in Minecraft. We found some videos that we like, but most importantly, we went over here and we've searched and located and found a video that is really popular. Maybe something that a lot of people don't know about yet. And we found that over at the trending section inside of YouTube. And what you're gonna do is copy the link of that video. There's a couple of ways that you can do this. One way, just click on the title and that'll take you over to the video, and then you can just copy the link inside of a little URL at the top of your internet browser, or what you can do is, you can just right click on the title here and choose copy link address. In that way, you can copy the link and then go to shrinkme.io. You can just click right here where it says your URL here and then paste the link. Now after this, there's a little arrow over here on the right. Go ahead and click on that, and as soon as I click on submit, ShrinkMe provides an alternative URL that I can use to share with people. So I could share this with my friends, of course, but for this particular strategy, this is something that you could share on a community forum, and when someone clicks on that link, they're going to watch a little short ad and then they will click through that, and then the video will appear, and every time that someone goes through that funnel process, you get paid every time that happens. That's the beauty of this website, and you can do this as many times as you want. There's no restrictions on how many times people can click on your link or how many times people can watch your videos. It's really unlimited, and that's the power behind this. And that is why so many people are getting extraordinary results using this money system. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe! Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comments section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!